In this video, we'll see how to use Bootstrap in an Angular project. So I already have an Angular project up and running here. So we'll start by installing Bootstrap. So we'll be using npm install to install Bootstrap inside the Angular project. Bootstrap also has a dependency on jQuery and popper.js. So let's install that too. Now once you have popper.js, Bootstrap and jQuery installed, we need to add these dependencies inside the Angular project. So head over to the project directory and go to angular.json file here. Inside the angular.json file, go to projects architect build. Inside build there is a section for adding styles and scripts. So what you can do is you can add the scripts here and Bootstrap styles here. One thing that you need to take care is, or like one thing that you need to note down is like the scripts which you have added should be in this particular order. First you need to include jQuery, then you need to include popper.js, then bootstrap.js. Otherwise it may not work. So once you have these dependencies like references added, save the changes and start the project. Now inside the application I have already added some Bootstrap classes for rendering the buttons. So if we have Bootstrap up and if we have Bootstrap working correctly, we should be able to see the Bootstrap buttons on the screen. So now since the application is running, I'll just load the browser. So yeah, there you can see the Bootstrap buttons on the screen. So I hope you found this video useful. If you like the video, please support the channel by subscribing, liking and sharing the video. Thanks for watching.